Hello, I'm Jason. I'll be testing Android apps so you don't have to. This time on our show, let's get to the wish list. We have Melon. Don't even remember what Melon is. Say hello to the world. Connect with interesting. Oh, okay. It's a social app. But as usual, this is all stuff you can see yourself. I am going to install and use Melon on this phone and record myself doing it so you can check it out. Like the title, I'm testing Android apps so you don't have to. Let's see. It's not too big, shouldn't take too long. Let me go ahead and take this opportunity to say these are not suggestions. I'm not affiliated with either Android or any of these apps. I'm just providing a service here, showing you what it looks like when you fire it up on your phone. If you try to reproduce these on different devices or on with different versions or similar apps that are mostly the same but different. Um, I'm not making any guarantees of anything. I mean, it really has nothing to do with me. I'm just demonstrating. So let's go ahead and open this. Start chat. No, I don't. So let's hope they give us an option to log in with Facebook. Yep. I'll continue as Jason. Allow that. 21 years old. Not quite. Let's see here. It's going to take forever. Well, this is inconvenient. Not sure why it's going to take a minute. Because I was born in 1972. As you guys are about to see. Hopefully my hand's not muffling my voice. I'll try to speak up a little bit. Well, we got about 10 years to go here. Here we go. Okay. I should have tried that earlier. Okay, here we go. Da-da-da-da. I got that by hitting that right there. Then we go to, can we do the same thing? No. April, May, June, July, August 8th. Okay, there we go. 40 app. There, username. And we are testing Android apps. Why is it invalid? Oh, nope, don't want to stop it. Maybe if we just take the apps off here. Okay, so we'll just go with testing Android. Kingman USA, mail. Testing the Melon Android app for my YouTube series I'll go like this. Testing Android apps. All right. That's good enough to me. Create the profile. Yep. Yep. Sure. Not sure what's going on here. Well, there's what I look like, everybody. I'm just gonna gay. Ooh, no, don't connect to gay. Yeah, see, I'm not sure what's going on here. Let's see if we can't go back. Anyone? Yeah, I'm not so sure what's going on here. Latin America. It doesn't even look like they've got a I don't even know what to pick here. Um, India, a lot of English speaking people in India. Oh, okay. Well, that's an ad. Featured users, history. Don't be boring. Why is this all in my history? Was I talking to all these people? Am I still talking to all these people? Alright, let's see what this says. Welcome to Melon. Is that it? to send feedback here. Yeah, I successfully liked Team Melon's profile. Um, Smart news. Okay, there's our ads. Chat. Tokens. And as I said before, we're not going to be doing any purchasing or any buying through any of these apps. That's going to be one of the limitations for us. Um, I don't know what a lot of this even means. I I'm beginning to think that this app is for like right, yeah, for uh, other places. Tennessee maybe. TN, I don't know. Toledo, Spain. Lebanon. Naples, US. I think. I don't know. Um, let's try. Okay. So, can't chat with featured users without paying. I don't want to search users. I don't know who to look for. And see, now it's doing this thing again. No idea what's going on.
I think you belong on Sleeping Beauty and the 12 Dwarfs.
Alrighty. Well, this is interesting. So, it's basically just a chat app. I want to get out of here. Let's go back over here. Alright. So, this is Melon. It's a social media chat app. Um, it doesn't look like it's got a whole bunch of features here. Uh, yeah, so settings. I'm kind of at a loss for words. I don't, like I said, I mean, I'm not doing these one way or the other to try to, I'm not promoting them, nor am I talking down about them. I mean, I might throw an occasional opinion in there too. This one, it looks like a nice app. It's just not something I'd really use. Um, I think it's more for single people uh, from wherever. Um, and it also looks like you're pretty limited to who you can talk to without tokens, buying these tokens up here, which I have none. So, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed watching Melon. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.